The Department of Transportation workers struck by a passing tractor trailer on Route 17 last week has died. Governor Cuomo announced that flags would be lowered to half staff in honor of Dennis Matt Howe of Owego. Howe had worked for the DOT since 2006. According to the Tioga County Sheriff's Office, Howe was part of a crew doing safety work on the highway when his vehicle was struck by a truck driven by 37-year-old Lawrence Faucett. Faucett was issued traffic tickets for moving from lane unsafely and failure to exercise due care. Tioga Sheriff Gary Howard tells News Channel 34 that it will be up to the district attorney to determine whether to pursue additional charges.